Okay guys, it's Kim here from the OC Thrift Shop, and I just wanted to quickly show you Vendoo, this inventory system that allows you to list easily on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Etsy. Okay, let's do it. Hit a new item. I'm going to upload images and go straight to, I have a little file called Vendoo, and I'm going to do the Rothys, guys. Let's do it. So I am going to, oh, no, just 1, 2, 3. I need this one, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hit open. And what I like to do is I just scroll down as the pictures are being uploaded, and then I save them quickly like that. I hit save. And when that's finished, I go back to starting a new listing and I upload more pictures and I save it. And I just do that until all my pictures are saved within the system. Okay, it's saved. So what I can do is, if you can see it says Vendoo in progress, I can go back to inventory. And as you can see, it's sitting right there. I can hit new item and upload pictures again. So uploading my pictures is super fast. And then I have a big visual of which one I want to work on first. So let's go and pick one more thing. Okay, so I need this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hit open. Now it has a limit of 8 pictures. Once those are up, I just go down and hit save. Okay, so for right now, we're going to go back to the Rothys. I'm just trying to show you how easily it is to save your pictures, and then visually you'll be able to see which listing you want to work on first. Okay, so let's go back to inventory and start our Rothys. Okay, so these ones are beautiful. All they need is a good title. Let's see, we got Rothys Midnight Metallic Pointed Flats, size 6.5. Alright, so I can just select all, copy, and paste that here for right now. But what I want to show you real fast is I go to Sellhound, and Sellhound has this fetch built in, which is really cool. I'll get to the main, here it is up here. So you choose either used or new product. So it's new, it's used. And I'm going to put in the Rothys. Okay, I'm going to take out the size just because. And hit fetch. Of course, it didn't take out the full thing. Okay, let's go and fix this real quick. Okay. So it pulls up from the different websites. We got eBay, we got Mercari. Nothing for Posh. Interesting. So let's click it and see if it's kind of what we're looking for. Okay, we're in the $200 range for sure, guys. So these on the side have been sold for this amount. These ones are slate metallics, and I need to look at the different colors. Mine's like navy blue and peach. So I'm going to try and fix this. Well, here we go. Is it going? I can't. Okay, here we go. There are the shoes. These ones are 7.5. Current price is $236. It includes shipping. This is what's sold. Shh, I'm on this right now. Forget it. I can't do it. Okay, I clicked to the eBay listing just so that I could look at it a little bit further. So they're asking $225. And okay. So I think we can safely say we're going to list it for over $200. So go back here and finish. Look at that. They don't even have Rothys. Interesting. Pre-owned. Blue. I would say that's peach, but I don't know. Maybe an orange. Blue and orange. All right. Category. Women's. Shoes. And we're going to go for flats. It literally weighs, let's say, 8 ounces. Now our listing prices, what do we want to list it for? Let's just put $235. Hit save. For right now, if you look over here, it says Vendoo complete. Now what we do is push Poshmark or Mercari, and we add the information that they've asked us to add. So I haven't finished really writing down my description either. So just finish that. Do standard, 6.5, original price. I'm just going to put 0. So really, it's ready to go. I can just list on Posh right here, right now. On Mercari, you have to take away some of the characters. You don't have as many. So I still need to take out 3. So I'll take out pointed or flat. Point flat. That makes no sense. Let's just see if they have a Rothy's. They don't. Alright, make sure this is right. Good. Use your tags, guys. Rothy's. Pointed flats. Trendy. Whatever. Women's shoes. Flats. Size 6.5. Material. I'm not even going to put that because it doesn't have a star. Do I want to offer free shipping? No, not today. Prepaid label. Okay. So I hit save. It's ready to go. View the errors. Missing material. Okay. Fabric. Save. So those 2 listings are ready to go. I just wanted to add a couple more, little bit more of a description. So 1 sec. Okay guys, I'm back to this listing. Let's hit Posh. I have a better description. I have it all ready to go. Let's list it. And at the same time, we really can go straight to Mercari right now. See, it's done. Let's click and view listing. How's it look? Beautiful. Go to Mercari, scroll down, and list. And voila. Alright guys, I'll let you know when this sells today. And that is how you use Vendoo. Alright, on to the next one.